I'm going to skin these guys. Easy peasy. So that shows the Scenic is faster than a cyclist anyway, down a hill. So our plan's pretty easy. Head from my bit to Gifford, Gifford to Duns, and then Duns to Coldstream, we'll cross into England, and then figure out a way over to the Holy Isle, where Lindisfarne is. I'm going to skin this guy too. Fucking easy peasy. He's all over the place. Piece of piss. It's been his fucking third gear. Well, maybe second. I think whatever's happened with my clutch, because this is the Liffin engine still. This is the first time I've ever been out on it where the clutch has been making funny sounds. Although I don't know if you can hear that. Fourth gear just doesn't sound healthy at all. It might just be what to do, I don't know. But luckily I've now got a really good Honda engine of Glen. So Glen had it in storage for ages, so yeah, if this goes pop, I've got a backup. What the fuck is all this shit? Look at all these cunts on the wrong side of the road. Skinned, 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 skinned. Yeah, the winner! Oh, Jesus! What's happening to me? Oh, Christ, I'm going to have to pull over. I feel like shit. Oh, Jesus! Fuck! Oh, that's what it is. Fuck's sakes! We're in Northumberland, northeast England. All jokes aside, it's actually quite nice down here. Oof, you fucker. So you get to Rolling Island, you look for signposts for that place back there. That's Beale. There's I'm sure there's a campsite there, or there's a cafe and stuff. You follow this road out, so we should be able to see it shortly. You need to always check your tide times before you come here, because the road's causeway, so it's covered by the sea when the tide's in, and it comes in fucking fast, so don't try and chance it. If you go on the internet, you'll see plenty of pictures and videos of people that have fucked up and they've got stuck. There's even little towers, if you do get stuck, there's little towers so you go and climb in them and keep yourself safe. I'll try and get in and explore one. Also, hopefully William Walker's down here with his Grom. See, here we go. That's not him over there, is it? Check it out. I think that could be Mr. Walker. How you doing? It's fucking cold with the harr, eh?
I left the house and it was rushing warm. Half an hour later I was soaked.
Jeez, oh.
Misty as hell.
So this is the causeway. As you can see, it's fucking misty as anything. There are the towers I was talking about. Still not even the way back. But yes, geez, oh, it's like the harr is unreal. Fucking right along indicator on again. Lindisfarne. Andrea's on the phone.
Like usual, speaking with my wife. My wife say hello to everyone.
just away, just a little bit away from the coast, and already you can feel it warming up. Oh man, it's just the harr that comes in off the North Sea is fucking, can be freezing. Just that extra dampness in the air.